Karli teng abarim India Prime Minister Bharat Ratna Atul Bihari Vajpayee aphan ka chikimo Chuki hola Mirabari along group viewers voxit ahem long ekiso KSA Japra langsung branch committee atumpen kangdang amai kangni Karbi prime time long penel birda thanbang thare harmony be nun birtang ton pen arjikta West Karbi anglong baitha langso along papa engko ra pho arni Bharat Ratna abarim India Prime Minister Karli tang Atul Bihari Vajpayee aphan ka chikimo pon abirta Kat News channel apheran ki jesoni hi pen birta nang pale ka chikimo pon ajai mek along baitha langso habar aral tum akera pen West Karbi anglong district BJP atum pen ka chikimo asai angdeng misen pen pado pondo labangso ka chikimo pon along WAKDC BJP amaipu Arun Terang baitha langso MLA Dr. Mansing Rongpi MSc Probat Chandra Taro Konchun Bang Redip Ronghang School Thanbang Lapen Lo Charlie Osomar Atum Penceng Lok Penan Abang Pubang Ketum Chitong Dun Nilip constituency angkang Chukihala Mirabari along group waivers Voxit Kikim Kerang Konjia Pan Papai ni Pai Inkorap Po Arni Handloom and Textile Ian Rotanteron Pen Long Ikisong Group waivers Voxit Kikim Kerang Ponjia Pan Long Ikisom Pon Amaya Long Nilip MSc Pavitra Rongpi Handloom and Textile Joint Director Tapas Kumar Das Mirabeti Rongasar Dilip Guarda Pen Penan ki theki dingatum Chitong Dun Long Ekesom Pon Amaya Long EM Roton Teron Pen Lam theki jai pon ke Government Pen Bang So Hem Kikim Peram Pon Detlo Politik Kelang Chari Nang Jila ke Ladak Rong Arada Tum Dun Lasi Misen Pen Mirabeti Rong Arada Tum Kelang Dun Pameji Aphan Pachini Lupusi Than Pachini Tekang Chukihola Higher Secondary School along Papai ni Pain Kora Pho Arni Freshers ke paman pon aperta Kat News along berta nang pale Labangso ajai meg along Chukihola Higher Secondary School a principal Dr. Ranjit Ronghang pen kachari pon amai along Karbi Autonomous Council EM Jagat Singh ti abhi sar po aman pen chitong dun Lapen MSc atum Ram Singh Timu Samson Tiso KADC MSc abarim Rovelson Rong Pilapen Forest Ranger Bibison Topi pen chenglok penan ke theki dingatum chitong dun Nun malam support han bertamu inton ponik sini.
Come one, come on. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India. Karbi Beauty Parlor. Folong ke chengsi so pen so la pen swar lo phan ke pamara dim. Prabjin pen ingpu ponpu. Kangpu ponji lake pai pai chikluni pai ingora nerve cap army. Ladak nang litum long ikji lake facial, hair spa, hair straightening, hair cutting, shaving, hair curly, tattoo, body spa, pedicure, lapet, medicare, hayu henlo. Karbi Beauty Parlor, Difu Main Market Road, Bharati Lodge near Iron Bridge. Please step in Ishan Motors. A showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield, opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajang tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihina mo piputhot bertalong wangthulo. Japra langso cultural complex along. Pai pai ni phain ko ra pho arni tilisi a por pen KSA Japra langso branch committee pen kangdang amai ke padopon aberta kadu salang berta nang pale. Japra langso KSA branch amai phu. Amo signar pen kachari pon amai along. Mai ke pha alam the konchun bang pi cleared up. Signar pi pen si mai ke pha alam the cleared up pen pachini pon lo. Labang so amai along. KSA amai phu Simeon Rongphar. KSA Bidisar Laichen England. Sorkari Rongasa, Junas Rongphar Bapuram Singnar Antony Kathar KSA Bogatan District Committee Amaipu Raju England Konchunba Chisong Kuru Rongphar Desoi Teron Harlongbi Kathar Penchenglok Penan Abang Pubang Piatum Chetong Dun Maya Long Japra Langso Angkang Lo Charlie Risoi Jang Atum Ongdung Ason Katora Kachetong Aputhak Kachingwai Padu Lapen Hemprek Aputhakta Kachingwai Pon Padu Pusi Birta Riptun Long Don Bosco High School Hamren along Sonthan Madi Science Athan Bang Ranjan De Lapen Monjit Dhar Atumpen Patirpi Ponsi Pai Pai Nipa Inkora Pho Arni Methang School along Sonthan Kelang Padopon Posi Card News Channel Aperanke Hondor Kropen Birtanang Pale
Ingdeng Kopen Ingdeng Kep Anki Charlie Au Sumara Tumpen Si Bang Suprachama Sonthan a model Paklang Pon Lopusi Than Bang Pen Than Pachini Ada Porpai Nerkep Porpen Pang Changsi Anarlo Porpai Krenia Porpen Pachut Ponlo Sonthan Kelana Jai Megalong West Karbi Anglong District ADC Anil Chandra Das Lape Magistrate Sujata Rukoyetum Aluhisar Poman Menchitongtu Kicharli Au Sumaratum Pen Sonthom Kebra Isi Sonthana Model Kipaklang Lapen Klardak Pen Kelang Arat Atamapan Kithan Pachirmi Thekapon ADC Anil Chandra Das Pen Kachoro Pon Padu Lapuson Kelana Sai Padu Pon Bompulute Lahai Au Sumaratum Pen Akaktu Angdeng An Sitame King Kam Chijordun Thek Popota Alang Lipen Ningche Labangso Sonthan Kelana Jai Mek Along Kelang Chari Dunjia Pan Prajama Skula Than Bang Atum Phupendra Goswami Sanjay Datta Binoy Ronghang Lapen Si Joran Thari Atum Chitongdun
Electricity created the process in which electricity makes our home hospitals and other places was network
Karbi is also here, but the students, some of the students, they perform their innovative idea, creative idea. I have already suggested further also, if they participate in site examination in Karbi, that will work better for them. I hope each student will be more enlightened in future for Hamdan district as well as for Hamdan town government.
So Don Bosco School at Hamdan is organizing a science model exhibition today, and we have called our very respected agency, and this is from class 5 onwards, class 5 to class 10, and many schools are invited, many teachers, many students have come to see or to witness the science exhibition. So we welcomed all the students, and now all the students are moving around watching the science exhibition.
Karbi prime time ang lapang si kang tuan punila dumi thang me kurang tu.